The objective of a supply chain. The objective of every supply chain should be to maximize the overall value generated. The value, also known as supply chain surplus or supply chain generates, is the difference between what the value of the final product is to the customer and the cost of the supply chain incurred in filling the customer's request. Supply chain surplus is equal to customer value minus supply chain cost. The value of the final product may vary for each customer and can be estimated by maximizing the amount the customer is willing to pay for it. The difference between the value of the product and its price remains with the customer and thus as consumer surplus. The amount of consumer surplus, a concept expounded in healthcare economics, has always been difficult to determine. Precisely in monetary terms, it is not clearly measurable as to how much a customer was eventually willing to pay for a product or service, vice versa. What we actually pay, the estimates are subjective and would vary from person to person and situation to situation. A person in dire need of a product or service in an extreme situation may be willing to pay any price if he has no other alternative. A man stranded in a desert without any water may be willing to give away his entire estate for a glass of water. However, there is one other area in which this figure becomes miserable, and that is through the difference in prices between branded and generic drugs, which provide equal relief or deliver equal value to the patient. As the price differential between the patented drugs and their generic version is essential, and as both ostensibly provide equal value to the patient, we can measure fairly precisely the difference in cost of the two and in regard to it as consumer surplus. Naturally, the higher the consumer surplus, the more effective the product or service. This is what is accounting for the exponential growth in Indian generic drug industry. We will cover this phenomenon through a case study at the end of the chapter. The rest of the supply chain surplus becomes the supply chain profitability. Difference between the revenue generated from the customer and the overall cost across the supply chain. For example, a customer purchasing a wireless router for Best Buy pays $60, which represents the value which the supply chain receives. Customer who purchases the router clearly valued it above $60. That thus part of supply chain surplus left with the customer outcome as consumer surplus. The rest stays with the supply chain as profit. Best Buy and other stages of the supply chain incur cost to convey information, product components, store them, transport them, transfer funds, and so on. The difference between the $60 that the customer paid and the sum of all costs incurred by the supply chain to produce and distribute the router represents the supply chain profitability. Supply chain profitability is the total profit to be shared across all supply chain stages and intermediaries. The higher the supply chain profitability, the more successful is the supply chain. The most profit-making supply chain surplus will be strongly correlated with profits. Supply chain success should be measured in terms of supply chain profitability and not in terms of profits and an individual stage. In subsequent chapters, we see that a focus on profitability at individual stages will lead to a reduction in overall supply chain profits. A focus on growing the supply chain surplus pushes all the members of the supply chain towards growing the size of the overall pie. Having determined the success of a supply chain in terms of supply chain profitability, the next logical step is to look for sources of value, revenue, and cost. For any supply chain, there is only one source of revenue: the customer. The value obtained by a customer purchasing detergent at Walmart depends upon several factors, including the functionality of the detergent, how far the customer has to travel to Walmart, and likelihood of finding the detergent in stock. The customer is the only one providing complete cash flow for the Walmart supply chain. All other cash flows are simply fund exchanges that occur within the supply chain. Given the debt difference stages have different owners and Walmart pays suppliers is taking a portion of the funds that customer provides and passing that money on to the supplier. All flows of information, product, or funds can information and fund flows to maximize total supply chain surplus. A growth in supply chain surplus increases the size of the total pie, allow contributing members of the supply chain to benefit. In this book, we have a strong focus on analyzing all supply chain decisions in terms of their impact on the supply chain surplus. These decisions and their impact can vary from a wide variety of reasons. For instance, consider the difference in the supply chain structure for fast-moving consumer goods observed in the United States and India. US distributors play a small role in this supply chain compared to their Indian counterparts. We argue that the difference in supply chain structure can be explained by the impact a distributor has on the supply chain surplus in the two countries. Retailing in the United States is largely consolidated with a large chain buying consumer goods from most manufacturers. The consolidation gives retailers sufficient scale that the introduction of an intermediary such as a distributor does a little to reduce cost and may actually increase the cost because of an additional transaction. In India has billions of small retail outlets. The small size of the retail outlets limit the amount of inventory they can hold, thus requiring frequent replenishment. An order can be compared with a weekly grocery shopping for a family in the United States. The only way for a manufacturer to keep transportation costs low is to bring full truckloads of product close to the market and then distribute locally using big runs with the smaller vehicles. The presence of an intermediary who can receive a full truckload shipment, take bulk, and then make small deliveries to a retailer improves selling transportation costs are to be kept low. Most Indian distributors are one-stop shops stocking everything from cooking oil to soap and detergents, made by a variety of manufacturers. Besides the convenience provided by one-stop shop and shopping, distributors in India are also able to reduce the transportation cost for outbound delivery to the retailer by aggregating products across multiple manufacturers during the delivery runs. Distributors in India also make collections because their cost of collection is significantly lower than that of each manufacturer collecting from retailers on its own booking. Thus, the important role of distributors in India can be explained by the growth in supply chain surplus that results from their presence. Most traditional supply chain presence existingly in India operate what approximates to a multi-column distribution model in which supplies move from the supplier of manufacturer to a series of large and small stockholders and intermediaries to reach the consumers right down to remote villages in which most of the Indian population reside and which are not always well connected. National, regional, state, district, and local level stocks constitute links in the supply chain replenishing and get replenished. The normal through a wide variety of surface transportation is an interconnected network creating the process inventories at each stage. The dynamics of the supply chain differ quite considerably from the IT-enabled supply chain serving well-developed and well-connected urban markets to organized retailing. The supply chain surplus argument implies that a retailing in India begins to consolidate the role of distributors